Many times people try to imitate the trading styles of different traders. So you might be finding or searching out for strategies on YouTube, different trading styles, different traders, etc., etc. Howsoever, like what I personally have realized out for myself is, it is not at all possible to exactly replicate the trading style of someone else. So each individual has a uniqueness as far as their trading style would be concerned, plus their mindset would be concerned. So for myself, I am personally not comfortable in taking scalp trades, but within the live long wealth community itself, we have a lot of people who are doing really well in scalp trades. So it is just the fact that they are comfortable with it, but it doesn't suit my style personally. Whereas I am personally more into non-directional. My comfort is actually in doing non-directional more. It is because you have an edge of getting the theta decay that is actually positively favoring you. Now we also have a lot of people who take intraday trades in directional option buys. Okay, so where you kind of actually go for naked buys without a stop loss. So from my personal experience, I am not comfortable in doing that in the present market conditions. Whereas I am getting comfortable, or I personally do spreads for direction. Now that doesn't mean you are not supposed to get comfortable with directional trading. You can. So each person would be having a different trading style, and we need to figure out for ourselves which style suits us the best. For working employees, commodities like crude oil, that is actually active till late night evenings, those are the ones that is going to suit you more, because you really don't have time during the morning hours. Now if you are a retired professional who really don't want to spend much of a screen hours, you may consider doing non-directional intraday strategies like straddles, strangles, all these things. So I just wanted to conclude by saying, please don't try to imitate anyone else. Their risk appetite, the kind of strategies that they follow is different. So even if you understand the strategy completely, make sure you observe it for some time, you practice it out yourself, get comfortable with the system and get into it. Figure out for yourself what trading style suits you the best.